Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my videos to expose myself. So another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past, another video to expose even my present. So I'll continue what I was saying on my previous video. So on my previous video, I was talking about the devil is connecting my past, or my past is coming up in my present, or the devil is connecting the dots from the age of 10, which angisebenzise from the age of 10, and because I would like to believe which the devil is using sex to destroy human beings. How does he use sex to destroy human beings? He use it this way. It makes you sleep with anyone and don't care and don't see the reason it's wrong what you're doing. When you just get satisfied, enjoy sex, and get whatever you will get. Maybe if you are doing it for prostitution, uthola imali, or whatever reason. And I remember I was just having sex. I wasn't having sex with different people to make money. No. So I would like to believe there is a spirit. There is a spirit that angazi noma ngithi eats, I don't know uma sengikhuluma ngespirit ngithini, but that eats or that gets satisfied if I sleep around. There's a spirit that gets satisfied if I sleep around. Why do I say that? It's because on my previous video I mentioned ukuthi when I am married, during my marriage, he came through so and so. He used him so and so to curse me, and at that time when he was cursing me, he's thinking what he's protecting me, but he's not seeing that the devil is using him to curse me, because uSatan nendlela zakhe zokwenza ukuthi into yakhe iqhubeke, because mayiqhubeka into yakhe uyadla, and ukudla kwakhe ukuthi he comes to steal whatever God gave you. So whatever the things that God gives me, as ngiyithole nje into zami azina order, zahamba through sex, having sex with a lot of people. I would like to believe that sex is a covenant. So if I make a covenant with whosoever, let's say angithi yena uSathane suke sazi ukuthi okay, ma ngizothumela umuntu ayolala naye, the aim is ukuthi ngiyomtshontshela mhlawumbe indlu, let her rent for the rest of her life. This is me imagining the devil, how the devil does it, because I'm still learning in spiritual life, in life. So I'm thinking with then I should okay. Now the next target is alale no so and so. I'll send the spirit, the last spirit, yabo azizwe, ayifuni indoda, yabo, because iba khona leyo nto ukuthi kibe khona ukuthi ngifise indoda while still married. So while I'm still studying, it's so embarrassing. So, but I have to say it because I want to come out of it. I want to come out of it. I want to know when it comes. Nayo lenkinga. Lord, deliver me in Jesus' mighty name. Nayo lenkinga, Jesus ngifuna ukuyolala while I have a husband. Lord, deliver me. Ngifuna ukuba kanjalo. And I know the devil is also listening futhi mangisho kanjalo. So ngithi wavuselela leso spirit through that guy during our business ke ngoba ngishilo in my previous video ukuthi I had what ngamtshela ukuthi I know whatever I wanted to start ngikhuluma ngisengishadile into le ngixoxela ngintshela ngayo sengishadile when least I was married into engihlasela when I'm married because the devil is not scared whatever decision that you take uzokulandela ukuthi are you sure with that decision ngi-understanda nge-life yami. Okay, so eqhubeka into the next encounter was this other day I went to the salon and lezi zinto yazi siyenzeka year by year. Each year something happens, each year something happens, each year the spirit pushes ukuthi ngiyolala with anyone futhi ngiyolala with anyone. So the second encounter ke kwase ku angithi kunaleya case eza through via case and while least maybe so and so was thinking ukuthi he's protecting me but he's not, or maybe he knew ukuthi he's kissing me, I don't know, maybe ngiyamkhulumela, I don't know. Okay, and then bese kuza the second encounter. I was coming from a salon ngibuye nje ukuyogeza my natural hair. Wabuza lo yasisi uthi ngakwenza baby hair asiyenze. It was my first time doing it ngifuna ukubona how will I look, and since it is my own hair it's fine, let me continue angenza usisi the baby hair, yeah, on my natural hair. So on my way home, done with salon, I met a guy. I don't know this guy. This guy says to me, can we have sex anyway? Hey man, the guy doesn't know me. And at that time mase ngimphendula ngiyaqhaqhazela futhi ngiyasaba ngimane ngisho ngithi futhi ngimphendule maybe when I'm just maybe 20 steps away from him ngithi angithi ngiqala ngithi hayibo bese ngiqhubeka ngokhe maybe 20 steps away from him bese ngiyakhuluma kodwa nakhona ngisho ngokusaba ngisho ngithi no phuma kimi sathane kanjalo. Iqhubeka indaba. And that year it was 2022. That one way trailer it was 2021. This one do engidibana naye from Ngibuye Salon is 2022. And then the other encounter after this one. Now, it's the same person. Ngidibana naye mangiya I was going to a mall. Angiye Greenstone. I decided to walk that day. Let me walk. So I walk here to Greenstone. And sometimes mangiwalka ngiba naleyo chance ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhuluma nami, ngikwazi ukuxoxa nami. So I walk, I met the same guy again. This time he tries to be very close to me. I sondele kumina ethi can we just have sex anyway? And la dibana khona nami songazi ukuthi ihlathi nje kancane. Can we just have sex anyway? Sengiyabuka man. That's the same guy. Mangifuna ukuphendula. I don't know what did I want to say that day. He stretches his arm to try to close me ukuthi ngingakhulumi. So hence I'm saying ukuthi the devil is connecting the dots, or he's reviving, or I don't know, bringing back, I don't know what the word to use, to make me go back. Ndaba yokuthi sleep around. So ngihluleke futhi ngiswele ni futhi nempendulo. Aqhubeke ahambe yazi ngime kancane. What is wrong with me? And I'm not even wearing a miniskirt to say ukuthi loya muntu saw my thighs out. I'm wearing I'm wearing a skirt that doesn't even shape me. It's just far away from my body. I don't know how to explain it. You can't even see a hip. You can't even see my back. You can't even see ukuthi I have a big or small waist. The type of skirt that I was wearing. What is wrong with me? But then I didn't understand ukuthi the thing is inside of me. I didn't understand that spiritual life was no. Now, if you are a body, there are things that they're inside. So it depends what you have good or bad things inside of you. There are things that must be inside. I didn't know which the things that are inside my mind. Yo, then I continued and do whatever I was doing at the moment. So when I reverse now, it's okay. The devil wants me to go back and sleep. Lento le, the spirit yabona simile. Sifuna ngibuyele ngiyolala. Sibuyele ngiyolala with whosoever futhi engimaziyo nengamazi. As long as I have sex. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. I'll continue. It's a long story, so I'll continue with my videos. I'm still trying to do my 10 minutes. They end up being 11 minutes, 12 minutes. So I'll continue with my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.